Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there was a little village named Whimsyville. This village was home to some of the kindest and most fun-loving creatures you could ever meet, including a clever rabbit named Rolo, a courageous squirrel named Squeaky, and a wise old turtle named Terrence. They were the best of friends and did everything together. One sunny morning, as they were playing near the edge of Whimsy Woods, they noticed a mysterious glowing portal hidden behind a large oak tree. Being the curious creatures they were, they decided to investigate. As they stepped through the portal, they found themselves in a magical world where everything sparkled with enchantment. The trees had shimmering leaves, flowers sang merry tunes, and the river flowed with sparkling water. But something was wrong. The creatures they met seemed anxious and worried. A friendly fairy named Twinkle approached them and explained the dilemma. "Our magical orb has been stolen by the mischievous goblin, Grumble. Without it, our world will lose its magic," she said. Without a moment's hesitation, Rolo, Squeaky, and Terrence volunteered to help. Twinkle guided them to the dark and treacherous Grumble's grotto. As they approached, they had to cross challenges that tested their wits and bravery. First, they encountered the maze of illusions. "Don't trust your eyes, use your heart," Twinkle advised. Rolo, trusting his instincts, led them safely through the maze. Next, they had to cross the river of doubt. "Believe in yourselves," the fairy urged. Squeaky took a daring leap, and with his friends following suit, they managed to get across. Finally, they reached the Cave of Echoes, where the orb was hidden. They saw Grumble grumbling away, holding the orb. "We need to get it back," whispered Terrence. The friends hatched a plan. Rolo used his speed to distract Grumble by pretending to steal his treasure, while Squeaky used his agility to snatch the orb. Terrence, with his wisdom, calmed Grumble down by empathizing with him, making him realize that stealing the orb was wrong. With the orb now safe, they returned it to Twinkle, who restored the magic to the land. The trees sparkled once more, the flowers sang, and the river flowed gloriously. The creatures of the magical world rejoiced. Twinkle thanked Rolo, Squeaky, and Terrence, bestowing upon them enchanted gifts to remember their adventure by. They returned to Whimsyville, sharing their incredible story with their fellow villagers. From that day on, they were celebrated as heroes, and their friendship grew even stronger. And so, the magical adventure of Rolo, Squeaky, and Terrence became a tale of bravery, friendship, and the importance of believing in oneself.